Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Fly the tricolor national flag on top of your house program begins. Khasi Author Society to meet Prime Minister and Home Minister for Khasi language. Ram Krishna Mission celebrates 75th Independence Day through recitation. And one spot dead as bus collided with scooter at Songsa. And now the news in detail. The Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Indian Council for Cultural Relations (ICCR) today organized the state launch of Har Ghar Tiranga at a program held at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. Education Minister Shri Lakman Rumbui graced the occasion as chief guest and Chief Secretary Shri D.P. Walang as guest of honor. Speaking on the occasion, Shri Lakman Rumbui said that it is a very important day for us Indians, as well as we emphasize the importance of our national flag, stating that we are about to complete 75 years of independence and also after completing 50 years of statehood. He could see the passion, the love of the people of the state for the national flag at this time, stating that while traversing the different areas of the state, the tricolor is visible and flying high on top of every house. Even vehicles are moving with tricolor on them, he added. Shri Rumbui also expressed his gratitude to the many self-help groups for engaging themselves with the making of national flags. Shri D.P. Walang in his address said that the launching of the program comes under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate 75 years of India's independence. The Har Ghar Tiranga program will last for 3 days from the 13th to 15th of August. This is to ensure that on completion of 75 years of independence, there is a personal connection between the citizens and the Indian flag, where the whole idea is to invoke patriotism in the hearts of the people and also to create awareness about the national flag, he added. He also dwelled at length about the meaning of the Indian flag and what each color implies, as well as the meaning of the Ashoka Chakra and its 24 spokes. Leaders of the Khasi Author Society, KAS, are preparing to meet the Prime Minister and Home Minister to forge ahead with the demand to include Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Dr. D.R. L. Nonglan, while addressing to the press, reminded that the Khasi Author Society has spearheaded the demand for the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule long time back. He expressed his appreciation to various political parties, socio-cultural organizations, prominent individuals, people's representatives in state legislature, and MPs who have contributed support towards this objective. He also said that the demand for the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule has also gained support from leaders and political parties from other states of the country. He said that this is a positive step towards the achievement for the cause of our language. He also said that we should raise a voice more loudly till it reaches the ears of the power that is in New Delhi.
Private member bill laki menjur nekim menjur haba la bu hakayeng banekren katakan sawa khamjam lai ka thong ka bakhadu ka longba ngidang bot banhir sedeli ni banai banwan hadin bangila pendap kajing penkhre chong ngin sele sedeli banekendo yo prime minister bat kumju ro yo minister jong ka tanat kampoye jong sarkar pedang ban kerpat deki bakin ra no daka official bill jong ka sarkar kamot jong ka liang sensiar ti lada lara daka official bill tingla tikna bel bakataka bel kandong an.
As part of the 75th Independence Day celebrations, Ram Krishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center organized the 48th edition of English poem recitation, drawing and handcraft competitions on August 13. Renowned personality Miss Akriti Shen, Miss Meghalaya 2019, Shri Abhishek Banerjee and Dr. Divjani, Assistant Professor of Education, Women's College, are among those invited to grace the occasion. On speaking to the media, they said that these kinds of activities help children stand confidently on stage in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshatishan and today I was invited as one of the esteemed judges for Ramani Krishna Mission poem recitation for class 6. I feel so overwhelmed to come here. I remember as a kid I was so frightened to step on the stage and do poem recitation or do extempore speech, but looking at children of today's generation makes me so proud. I totally enjoyed the performance. And I feel so overwhelmed at this moment. Thank you.
In a shocking incident today, on bus collided with a scooter at Songsak Tibil, Benegre, East Garo Hills district. It is reported that 3 students were riding in a scooter collided in one sharp turning in the national highway passing through Songsak. Out of 3 students, one declared dead on the spot, while the other 2 were referred to Guwahati for emergency treatment. Life is precious. We are sad that this incident had occurred. Songsak police have registered the case and investigation is going on. We request parents and guardians all over the state not to allow and encourage underage children to drive 2-wheelers freely. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.